wife's gonna leave me.
We are separated, and we got a new trans coming. Made that decision too. QuickTime, bell housing, SFI rated, because the clutch ever like lets go. It won't go through a housing, through my feet. I'll end up like Lieutenant Dan.
Kiss my crippled ass.
We have our wonderful X clutch right here. It's a little dirty, a little burnt up because we beat the crap out of it. But we're also going to send that out as well. And we might change to a triple disc clutch. Something to just get these temps down. Let's tear that apart. That's our update that we have right now. Klaus is torn apart. Doing good. We got new heads coming from the new transmission. We still got a few more weeks on that. The engine's just about done. Our buddy John Scroggs with Scroggs Fab is doing a whole new turbo kit for Klaus. We got all kinds of crazy things happening right now. We're actually going to have his own little video. It might be the next video. Who knows? It's just shop's crazy. It's really hard to have time to do anything when you're a new business owner in a new busy shop. Right, Chris? You having fun? You like 16-hour days?
All day, every day.
But it's getting into the season, and we're like in a groove now to where there's going to be lots of builds happening and, you know, a lot of cool YouTube stuff coming on. And, you know, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that crap that we always do, and we'll see you guys on the next one.